What's good, YouTube? This is your favorite mentor back again, guys, with another banger, guys. So as you guys saw, and the title and on the thumbnail, we're gonna be explaining order blocks, right? Basically, it's part of smart money concepts, right? So these things are not hard, guys. I think this video will be 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Before you get into this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video. And please don't forget to comment also. I know we've been off for a while, but we're back and running. We're trading with a new broker, which is IFX. Most brokers in South Africa are not regulated, but IFX is regulated, and I've tested the withdrawals, and the withdrawals only take round about I would say 3 hours to 4 hours if you're using First National Bank, right? But even if you're using other banks, it's not that it won't take that long, maybe a day, 2 days. But yeah, let's get into it, guys. So first thing first, you're gonna wanna identify in which trend the market is. So let's say the market was here, right? Let's say the market was here, and we had to get a setup. We had to get a setup now from here now check. Okay, fine. What I can see is that the market is actually trending to the upside, right? The market is actually trending to the top side, and I have to be looking for buying opportunities, because remember, the trend is your friend, right? So if I can zoom in here, I can see that, okay, cool, we have some type of order block here, right? Now let me explain how I got this order block, right? Let me explain to you guys how I got this order block. Fine. So before you get an order block, there has to be a break of structure. This is what we call a break of structure. You see, there are highs and lows in the markets. Once the market breaks a high or a low in the market like this, right? This was a high, right? And the market broke this high. You're gonna take the last selling candle before this strong bullish movement, right? And you're gonna want to make sure that the movement is very strong, right? Or it has to indicate to you that, okay, fine, it's a strong movement that broke this order block thing, this high, right? So we call this a break of structure, right? And so the market went and came back, but as you can see, it didn't come back into this selling candle. Now remember, I said the last selling candle before the break of structure, right? So let's go take our box again and draw. We are not gonna remove the other one because we're gonna need it sometime, right? So we're gonna draw this one here, right? So you can see that the market only came into the zone and started buying, right? And after this break of structure again, the market came to respect this second order block again and then started buying, right? So what you do is you wait for the market to show you a confirmation to say that, okay, cool, listen here, the we are buying now, right? So let's say this selling candlestick was to close, right? Let's say this candlestick was to close, right? And the market starts buying. As soon as the market breaks this candlestick's wick, right? As soon as it breaks the previous candlestick, you enter your buys. You put your stop loss below this candlestick or below this zone, depending on your risk management and on your account size and whatever. And then you can see the market never came back. Even here, the market just went straight to the top side. This is gonna be your take profit. Obviously this is gonna be your stop loss somewhere here. Yeah, guys, so it's that easy. Let's identify this one again, right? Let's identify this one again. So this was the last selling candle. This was the last selling candle, right? As you can see, this one didn't really trigger, but still, I would have traded that certain movement, right? So as you can see here, that the market had a high there, right? There was a high there, and then the market actually broke out of that high. You can see the market broke out, came back into the zone, and after it gave us our confirmation, it just started buying. TP was hit, right? And then again, right? So let me explain the last time. And then again, the market broke this high, right? And then again, the market broke this high. Okay, that's a bit skewed, but let's go. Again, the market broke that high, and then we had the last selling candle before the break of structure, right? We had the last selling candle before the what? Before the break of structure, right? So as you can see, the market tapped into that zone. And how you know that the zone is strong and how you know that the zone will hold is if the zone, if the candlesticks don't close inside the zone, right? So let's say now the market sold and then it broke this candlestick. You took your buying opportunities, your stop losses was here, and then obviously your take profit was somewhere here. The market went straight to hit your take profit. And what you can realize about this is that actually the market was just keep like it was buying, because remember I said spot your trend and then trade your setups, right? So now some people in the comment section will be asking, how do you trade smart money concept with price action? You know, there are some days whereby I stand up and then I'm like, okay, US 30 doesn't look cool, German 30 doesn't look cool. I don't like trading Nasdaq with order blocks. So what I'll do is that I'll trade smart money today, because you know the markets that I trade every day, the structures are not cool, right? So I'm gonna trade smart money today, right? And then I do this, guys, and it's on a 5 minute time frame. So imagine you can take like 4 trades and then you're out, or take like 5 trades or 3 trades and then you've made money, guys. So now let me explain the last scenario. You see why I didn't remove this one is mainly because as you can see here, guys, the market actually came to respect this one, but then it closed inside. Now let me show you a trick. If I can go to the 15 minutes time frame, right? Let's just wait for that to load. If I can go to the 15 minutes time frame, and even if I go higher, right, you're gonna see that actually we are in a downtrend. But that was a opportunity to also take. The opportunity to also take, right? Because if you can check, the market actually came into the zone and started buying. But you see why I said don't let the candlesticks close inside your zone and then take the trade. Because they normally don't hit take profit, right? And then they end up hitting stop losses. But this was on you, right? If you took such a trade, this was on you, because remember I said follow the trend. This market already broke out of this trend, right? This was a downtrend, and I can spot another setup here, right? I can spot another setup on this same on that same downtrend. So let me go to this uptrend and do my last setup, just to show you guys that you know it's basically not hard stuff. It's not rocket science. So actually you can see that the market started breaking out there with that resistance there at the top, right? So it shows us that USD CAD is gonna now start selling. But nonetheless, guys, let's go to what we were explaining now, right? So what I can see here is that, okay, cool, um cool, the market broke this high, right? You just have to take your time and not do funny mistakes, and then you know you're gonna get it, right? So the market broke that high, and then obviously I have this selling candle here before the break of that high, right? I have that selling candle there. As you can see, the market didn't even close inside. It just came here. It started buying, but it didn't break any structure, right? Started buying. So, or eventually when it broke out, eventually, let's say, sorry guys, this is the last candlestick, because it didn't broke this one, it didn't break this one, right? So we're not gonna enter. So when this one breaks, enter, right? And then you're gonna put your stop losses somewhere around about here, and then your take profit somewhere around about there, or around about there. You see, just hit take profit straight up. So it's not rocket science, guys. So guys, this is the end of the video of me explaining order blocks. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit the like buttons, subscribe to this channel, comment on the comment section below, in order for you, in order for you to get more content and for the channel to grow, right? If you guys are not trading with the best broker, IFX brokers, consider yourself in trouble, because they it's the best broker actually. Let me show you guys a setup that I took on gold. So what I can see from this setup is that the market broke out, right? The market broke out of that high somewhere around about there. I can't really put it good, but then the market okay, the market broke out. Sorry guys if the phone is freezing, but the phone is actually flat, and I decided to make this video before I get to other things, right? So what you can see about this setup, it's a 1 hour setup, right? Look how the market is respecting that zone. So obviously I'm expecting the market to push to the top side, right? And then maybe if it can come respect this zone, and then I'm gonna enter sales, right? I'm gonna enter my sales, because remember we're in a downtrend, right? We're in a downtrend, so it means that the market should be able to respect our sales. But this is a short-term buy that I'm taking on the market, right? So I'll see you guys on another video. Sharp, guys.